Here with the Pilot, the rear tires are kind of going inward, and it's also wearing the inside of my tire out, and I'd rather not have that happen. Looked at the shocks, compressed them, and they did not want to come out. So got some new ones, gonna put them on there and maybe see if that fixes my tire leaning inward problem. Not inward, inward. But yeah, maybe that'll keep the tire from prematurely wearing out. We'll just have to see.
Okay. You son of a bitch! Fuck!
The brand you demand. At least it's shiny. Size comparison. Close enough. We'll put it in, see what it does. Yeah, torqued. .80 foot-pounds goes by increments of 5. Come on. Gotta be difficult like that. Or maybe you do. There it goes. the bottom one off camera because it's really hard to get a picture of. Now put the wheel back on. Oh, and just for reference, all the bolts I've taken off, the two that hold the shock on, the nut and the bolt, they're both 17 millimeter, and lug nuts are 19 millimeter. You don't have to worry about the jack coming out and crushing your legs. At least leave the jack under it so the paramedics can get it off your dead body. Mostly done. Now I just gotta drop the car. And I don't know if you can see it, but I looked up in the paperwork I have, but if you can see here, I guess it'd be like more like right here, you can see like how it's cut off at an angle right here, how this is lower and this is higher. Let's see, that's steer tire. There we go. Drive tire conditions. Come down here, heel toe wear, each lug around tire worn, high, low, from front to back edge. That's what we have, but it's on one side, so there was a camber issue. Mismatch inflation pressure, that's not an issue. Tire diameters are all the same. Definitely not a high torque condition. Thank you, dump truck. High inflation pressures, nope. Yeah, continue to run a severe change tire rotation, but nothing really I can do about it. Bless me. Alright, I think that concludes it. So we'll give it a little action. Someplace better. Ah. Oh yeah. Seems a little better. Also seems like it has a little bit more ride height. I guess that's good. So I guess that'll conclude this video. Any questions, comments, concerns, I guess just slap that in the comments section. And as more of these dang cars come by, have a good freaking day!
You son of a...